Welcome to the broadcast and design environment of your future, where virtual sets replace the scenery in your studio, giving you a better looking show while saving you money and using significantly less studio space. Virtual sets are the way to design a look for your show that is not limited by typical construction budgets. Working with the designers at Virtualsets.com and using the virtual scenario, you can create sets that are so fantastic that they often defy the laws of what could actually be built in reality. With a virtual set design, you can seamlessly integrate the spectacular motion graphics seen in your intros with your scenic environment. You can do away with awkward digital inserts that have to sit on top or to the side of your image. Using a virtual environment, you can place your talent in outdoors or indoor settings while never leaving the confines of your studio. However you use it, virtual sets will expand your creativity. As you can see, I am standing in a nightly news magazine set. Behind me is a desk with an illuminated logo, backed by a curved glass wall with video projected upon it. To my left is the main graphic for the show, which has been imported into the set from an introductory motion graphic. The set looks about 22 feet high. Now this is where I am really standing, in front of a modest-sized chroma key backing. Our designers have completely constructed my entire environment digitally in 3D. Imagine the cost of really building this set, if you could build it. But that's not all. I am in a three-dimensional environment. I am no longer limited by typical foreground-background relationships. A graphic can be in front of me or behind me. As you can see, we can even pan, tilt, and zoom while the graphic is on air. The graphic remains locked in virtual 3D space. The Virtualsets.com process is like this. First, our designers create a realistic computer-generated set using 3D design software and hardware. This set is stored in an inexpensive computer that interfaces with the virtual scenario system. The virtual scenario system consists of sensors mounted to your existing studio or ENG lens and the camera support head. These sensors measure the position and orientation of the camera as well as the zoom and focus settings of your lenses. The data from these sensors commands the virtual scenario manipulation system to process Virtualsets.com scenery in real time, after which it is combined with the video feed of the live talent on stage. Because of the real-time processing of the scenic environments, there is no post-production or cleanup needed. This saves you both time and money. It is also possible to import live video into our virtual designs. To my side is a monitor running a sports highlight clip. It is, of course, all virtual because I am in a virtual environment. If you like, there can be several live video inputs into your broadcast. Your capabilities are only limited by imagination. And don't worry, our designers have plenty of that. There are indeed many other ways that virtual sets can be used. They can be combined with physical scenery, for instance, as simulated projection systems behind the actual set, or by designing a half-virtual, half-real set. Imagine the depth and scale you could achieve by combining real and virtual sets. By projecting virtual sets with live stage settings, you could expand the visual horizon and give it movement as well. No more static backdrops. You need not be constricted to interior scenes either. We can digitize any exterior environment and composite it right into your scene. You can even move the camera. Gone are the days of static chroma key shots. There are other benefits as well. Imagine being able to change the look of your set more frequently. With virtual sets, there is no downtime during set construction. Changeover time is reduced to almost nothing. One studio can be used for many different shows in a single day. For instance, if you are doing a talk show, we will use real chairs but make the rest of the environment virtual. If your next show is a news program, you would simply strike the chairs, roll on the real desk, click to load a new virtual set, and tape. That's it. In addition to set design, Virtualsets.com also specializes in systems integration. Our design and technical staff can help you make the right decision on how to integrate virtual reality into your current production pipeline. Also, when the time comes, Virtualsets.com can handle the technical installation of these systems. We can design your introductory motion graphics for you, or we can work with your graphics department to develop an integrated look for your show. Whatever your needs, we can supply you with a superior-looking production design with outstanding production values at a reasonable cost. So contact us at Virtualsets.com for more information. We will advise you on how you can start using Virtualsets to step into the unlimited potential of virtual design. Here are a few examples of how we have used Virtualsets for other productions.